We're here at Human Bowling. It's pretty self-explanatory. The signs will help you out, but you definitely want to make sure you tether the giant Zorb bowling ball when you're done so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Guests are responsible for that ball. Please do not leave it out to be subject to the winds of Central Florida. You also want to be sure you have nothing sharp in your pockets and you take off your shoes. Also, be sure to only play this game well sober. You want to use the timer dial in the rear of the lane to inflate it. You'll turn it clockwise any number up to 60, and that's how many minutes the lane will stay inflated for you. You also want to make sure, as the sign says, that the ball is already on the lane as it is now in this video before you inflate. The reason is simply because the giant inflatable pins at the front will block the ball from entry if you leave it on the outside, and then you'll have to deflate it and start over. So always make sure that ball is on the lane. If children are using it, parents, please be there to watch them to help guide them down the lane. The pins stand up for themselves, and if you want to actually make it into a bowling game and keep score of 6-pin bowling, you can use the dry erase board down by the start on the right-hand side of the start lane. Just make sure you wipe off the scores when you're done with the clock. Thanks, and have a good time. Get as many strikes as you can.